Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. So, today's video is on learning colors through fun activity. But before starting the video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos. Also, please like and share your feedback in the comment section below. So for this, I have made this ice cream shape and left an open space here so that the child can put the same color ice cream stick in this, like this, and can make a proper ice cream shape like this. So my son, who is 3 years old, has done this activity very interestingly. So let's see how he's doing. Pick one ice cream stick. Which color is this?
Pink.
In which ice cream you will put this ice cream stick? Yes, very good. Now pick the another stick.
Blue.
Blue? Okay.
Not blue.
Then?
This is green.
Very good.